Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. On this video I'm going to show you guys how to do Excel if greater than and if less than formula. So here actually I'm using a Google Sheet, but supposed to be it's very similar method if you are using if you are using Microsoft Excel or maybe WPS or LibreOffice. It's supposed to be very similar method. So over here I have some boundary greater than 500, less than 750, and then this is just random numbers I generated earlier. Now how to doing the greater than and less than on if. First of all, you have to know the concept that the spreadsheet, Google Sheet either or Microsoft Excel only able to operate one function, I mean one operator. So what you do, you just use AND function. Since it is impossible for spreadsheet using two separator like equal to 9 less than x less than 10, it is impossible because the operator is only one in one section of formula. So what you have to do to combine more than one operator, what you have to do, you use AND operator. So this is the reference number, and then greater than this one, absolute, comma, the reference number, less than this one, and I close the parenthesis and then hit the end. So I check for the autofill. So we check it manual 684. Of course it's between this one, okay, and then the other one is false, so the formula is true. And then this is the concept. And then if you all want to use if function, it's simple, because if this one is our logical expression, if it meet our criteria, for instance I will use meet the criteria, and then if false, the else one, wrong. This is just for your example. So this is how to do if greater than and less than. So that's it guys, how to doing this function, this formula. It's really easy. Please follow our channel. If you think this content is helpful, please subscribe our channel as well. Thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.